There are inventions that feel modern. Then there are the ones that make you go, did this fall through a wormhole from 2075? We found a mop with a touchscreen, a TV for your shower, and even a magnetic chair that low-key floats. This is not your average tech video. Let's look at some inventions that feel straight out of the future. Alright, we're kicking things off with something that sounds like a joke but absolutely isn't. This is a mop with a touchscreen. No knobs, no levers, just a slick digital display right on the handle. You can switch between cleaning modes, adjust water levels, check battery life, all while barely lifting a finger. It's part mop, part robot, part spaceship control panel. Honestly, I never thought I'd say this, but I kind of want a mop now. You ever need to print something right now, but of course your giant home printer is jammed, out of ink, or just being dramatic? Well, here's your fix. A pocket-sized laser printer. No cables, no bulky setup. You just slide it across the paper and boom, printed. Imagine pulling this out in a meeting and casually printing a document right on the table. It's part gadget, part power move. Honestly, it feels less like office tech and more like spy gear. Okay, stay with me here. This is a wearable air conditioner for your body. Specifically, it targets your underarms. Yeah, it sounds ridiculous at first, but the logic kinda checks out. It's compact, it cools fast, and it's perfect for heat waves or, I guess, people with one especially aggressive armpit. Strap it on, hit the button, and walk around with your own personal breeze like you're being followed by a tiny weather system. So picture this, a chair that doesn't really touch the base. These things use magnets to keep the seat suspended just slightly above the bottom frame. No springs, no hinges, just magnetic force keeping you afloat. It's like anti-gravity furniture, minus the NASA budget. But fair warning, if you've got coins or keys in your pocket, you might end up sticking to the chair instead of sitting on it. Apparently, someone out there looked at a shower and thought, you know what this needs? Netflix. This invention is a fully waterproof wall-mounted TV made specifically for your bathroom. So now, while you're rinsing off shampoo, you can catch up on your favorite shows, check the news, or watch cooking videos you'll never actually try. It's ridiculous. It's unnecessary. And yeah, it kinda rules. Forget everything you know about umbrellas. This next-gen parasol doesn't just block sunlight, it fights it. It's got built-in fans, solar panels, and a tilt system that automatically adjusts with the sun. Basically, it's shade with a brain, perfect for beach days, patio lounging, or just flexing on regular umbrellas like, oh, yours doesn't charge itself? Farming isn't what it used to be, and that's a good thing. This robotic apple harvester picks fruit with machine precision, scanning for ripeness and grabbing only the good ones. No bruises, no ladder, no complaints about back pain. With the apple industry pulling in over $1 billion last year, this kind of tech is basically money that moves on its own. It's farming, but make it futuristic. Okay, here's one that messes with your brain a bit. Furniture without legs. Instead of traditional legs, these tables and chairs float on minimalist frames, reducing material use and giving everything a sleek, almost surreal look. It's like someone hit delete on Gravity. You walk into the room and do a double take like, is that thing floating? Spoiler, it kinda is. This one wasn't even used on a boat, but it should be. It's a massive fan-powered propulsion system that looks like it could launch a hovercraft across the water. Stick this thing on the back of a fan boat, and you're basically cruising through the Everglades like you're in a Bond movie. It's loud, it's over the top, and it's exactly the kind of chaos the future needs. Ever lost food to a mystery roommate? This high-tech fridge says not today. It's got facial recognition and locked compartments that only open for approved faces. So unless your roommate's been studying Mission Impossible face masks, your leftovers are finally safe. Welcome to the era of food security, literally. Alright, this one's straight out of a sci-fi fever dream. It's a musical instrument made from parts that honestly have no business being near each other. A violin, a guitar, and a bingo ball spinner. Spin it, pluck it, twist it. It makes eerie, futuristic sounds that feel more like a soundtrack to a dystopian video game than actual music. It's weird, it's kind of mesmerizing, and I guarantee no one at your open mic night has one of these. You show up to a summer barbecue. The neighborhood kids are armed with super soakers and wild energy. But you pull out a pocket-sized water cannon that looks like it belongs in a tactical gear bag. Compact, powerful, and completely unnecessary, which makes it absolutely perfect. Instant respect, instant chaos. You're not just playing, you're dominating summer. Now this one's not just cool, it's meaningful. These motorized mobility frames are designed to help people with limited movement walk more safely and smoothly. They're sleek, responsive, and look more like exosuits than medical equipment. It's tech with real-world impact, restoring independence, improving lives, and yeah, looking kind of like Iron Man's starter pack. This little guy is basically portable air conditioning in your palm. It's battery-powered, fits right on your desk or clips to your shirt, and cools you, not the room. Perfect for heat waves, office wars over thermostat settings, or just pretending you control the weather. Small device, big chill. This thing is low-key magic, a stick-anywhere pad that grips your stuff to walls, windows, or basically any surface, without glue, nails, or residue. Mount your phone, remote, even your snacks, no judgment, and when you peel it off, nothing left behind. It's reusable, invisible, and about to ruin command hooks forever. Alright, not every invention in the future looks futuristic. Take this sugarcane press. It's been around since the 1300s and it still works almost exactly the same. Big metal rollers, crank-powered, no software updates needed. But it doubled juice output back in the day, and it's still squeezing every drop centuries later. Sometimes the future is just the past that never broke. Some tech is flashy. This isn't. This is a toilet system upgrade designed to deal with, let's just say, your toughest mornings. It optimizes water flow, reduces clogs, and keeps everything moving even when you're not. It's smart plumbing for people who've seen some things before their coffee. If you've ever just needed 10 quiet minutes to exist, this one's for you. It's a kid-focused gadget loaded with buttons, lights, and sounds designed to keep little hands busy without melting their brains in front of a screen. Think toddler fidget spinner meets space console. Buy one, and you might actually finish a cup of coffee while it's still hot. It looks like a toy, but this soft pastel blue robotic caterpillar is a plumbing genius. It crawls through old, leaky pipes and lines them from the inside with a protective coating. No digging, no pipe replacement, no mess. It's quiet, it's efficient, and somehow kind of adorable. If your plumbing has a problem, this little future worm's got it covered. So yeah, touchscreen mops, floating chairs, shower TVs. Some of these inventions are brilliant, some are straight up weird, and some are answers to questions no one ever asked, but now we kind of want them anyway. The future isn't coming. It's already in the room, quietly upgrading your fridge, your furniture, and your plumbing. And if this is what today looks like, I can't wait to see what's next. What do you think? Comment below. If you found this video interesting, make sure you hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of these kinds of videos. Thanks for watching.